Hi, my name is Faye, and this is the Clear Cosmetic Storage Organizer from Masirs. Makeup organization is such a hassle. If you're anything like me, you have drawers that are filled with old samples and lipsticks that have rolled to the back that you've forgotten about. This makeup organizer keeps everything accessible, organized, and visible. It's made from clear acrylic that is durable, easy to clean, and looks great sitting on your vanity, a shelf, or your bathroom counter. Store everything you want to use on a regular basis right in the organizer. Plus, it's fun to display some of your bottles. Makeup and skincare packaging is often really pretty, and it makes getting ready feel luxurious when you have everything laid out beautifully. The organizer can be stacked as one piece or separated into two for keeping cosmetics and jewelry in different places. It has 16 compartments and 4 drawers, which slide smoothly. The organizer also makes a wonderful gift for any woman, from a young teenager who's just getting started with makeup to a busy mom and professional woman like me. Keep everything neat and elegantly tidy with the Clear Cosmetic Storage Organizer from Masirs.